Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and looking for new construction on the water? Today we have a unique property right here on the river. As you can see behind me, we're gonna check it out right now. I can't wait to show it to you. This one is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,200 square feet, just under 1.6 million. There's lightning around here, so I'm gonna try to make this quick, but we are in the neighborhood of Inglewood, which is northeast of downtown in that East Nashville area, and just a beautiful view of the river right here. And then you can also enjoy everything that East Nashville has to offer you. I did a video called Avoid East Nashville once that really talks about all the good things about East Nashville, so check that one out if you want to hear more about East Nashville. But let's go check this one out. Before we go, hit that subscribe button and bell notification, all that fun stuff, so you can stay ahead of what's happening here in Nashville as we put out videos every single week. And I am Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. Like I said, we're out here every week, so hit that subscribe button. And then I'm also going to put a link in there to click that link to fill out a buyer's consultation. If you're moving here and you need some help, you want someone to get out here and find properties for you, fill that out and I will reach out to you. Can't wait to meet you. Let's go check this house out. All right, what did you think about this home? I don't know if you could tell, it's kind of unique. So it sits behind another home. That's how they had to do that in order to get this view here, but it's still pretty private. They put a fence up. You can't really see that house once you get inside. Obviously you drive past it once you get out to the road, but I love Inglewood. I lived over here for several years, have nothing but good things to say about the area and the people here. I think you'll love it. And if you want to be, you're in Davidson County here, you're in the city, but you're, it's kind of private over here in this area of Inglewood, but you're not that far from the restaurants and everything that East Nashville has to provide. And then you can hit Ellington Parkway, takes you right into downtown, or you could hop on 65 from here to get downtown. So you're about 15 to 20 minutes from downtown if you have to work down there. Not a bad commute. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment below what you think about this home and what you think about this view on the river, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.